Another project is to do the wired carbon monoxide and fire detector. So I'm gonna place it here. All right, so I have connected red to red, black to black, and white to white. And my wired smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector is ready to get installed. After this, we are going to just fix this part with this here. All right, I'm ready to install the mounting plate now. Okay, so my mounting plate is installed and I'm just going to connect. All right, so we have connected the connectors to the carbon monoxide and
Hello from
smoke
Xsense.
detector.
Location not set. Kitchen. Hallway.
So our carbon monoxide and fire detector is installed.